Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN 8. Orlando Pirates 5, Sekhukhune 0. I'm joined by Small. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Oratilwe and I'm from Pretoria.
Okay, Oratilwe, which team do you support first of all?
Orlando Pirates.
Okay, what did you think about today's game, brother?
The game went well. We approached in with confidence.
Yes, sir. Yes,
we
sir.
played well. Just sometimes we need to learn to pass the ball a bit more.
Yes, sir.
And not always just shoot.
Yes, sir. So you just want the players to just improve their passing?
Yeah, because without the passing, then there's no build-up and no scores.
Yeah. So they must share it more.
Yeah, sharing it or else there's no goals.
Yes, sir. Okay, who was the man of the match, my brother?
Me. I would say my man of the match is Mufugeng.
Mufugeng.
Played very well.
Played very well.
Playing nice.
Yes, sir.
He can dribble.
Yes, sir.
He can shoot. He can do everything.
Yes, sir. Yeah, my brother. What do you want to see from your Orlando Pirates this season?
A Ballon d'Or.
A Ballon d'Or.
A Ballon d'Or.
Yeah. So one player must get a Ballon d'Or.
Yeah.
Which player? Mufugeng.
Mufugeng, Ballon d'Or, Golden Boot, everything.
Everything.
CAF champions also.
CAF champions also.
Yeah,
my
everything.
brother, which team do you want in the next round of MTN 8?
Sundowns. I want Sundowns.
You want Sundowns?
I want to prove them wrong.
Yeah.
I want to prove them wrong. Because they have nothing against us. Sundowns, I want you.
Yeah, you want them.
They have nothing against us.
Yes, sir.
Revenge.
Thank you very much.
Sweet.
Oh, revenge is sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, brother.